Hello everybody, this is going to be a tutorial in Android security and exploitation. So for the sake of this video, I am using DIVA vulnerable Android application. For this, we need a VirtualBox or VMware and terminal as well as Android phone. So let's start with first step, that would be downloading a VirtualBox. So I have already installed a VirtualBox. If you want to install the VirtualBox, there is my other video, you can watch it from there. So it is specifically for Linux user. Next one would be to download an Android. So you can go to this website and download this, any of those version, Oreo, Nougat and so on. So for the sake of this video, I'm using Oreo x86 and I'm using 32 bits version. So here is my setting for it. Once you are done with download and all that installation, let's start it. And next step would be to download our DIVA. So you can download it from this website. So I have already downloaded it and it's on my desktop. So after that, we need an Android debugger. So this here is a link for it. So we are using Linux, so download it from here. So once you have downloaded all those files, then let me take you through the process. So let's first step, let's see cd, let's go to our desktop and let's unzip it. Once your zip file has been unzipped, then let's go to our download and we have our this file, and you can extract this. After extraction, you will get this file for ADB, and after that you can just copy this DIVA APK file to desktop to download. So this is going to be our, and here is our file. So first of all, after that, let's open a terminal and let's set up DIVA app on our VirtualBox. So first we need a IP address of Android device. So let's go to setting and let's go advanced, and here we have our IP address of Android. Then let's go to ADB and let's type ADB serve device. This will successfully start ADB debugger. So then we need to connect ADB to Android phone. For that we have to type command ADB, then install, then connect. After that connecting, we need to type our IP address. Once that connection has been established, we need to install our DIVA application, which is this APK file. So we can install it by adb install, then DIVA. Okay, now installation has been completed. So here is our DIVA app. Let's open it. In next video, we are going to discuss about insecure login. So stay tuned. Thank you.